My video's kind of shaky. But man, this camera is awesome. And the reason my video is kind of shaky is because I'm being drugged by Lola the Pittbull. See? She only knows one gear, and it's just low. That's why I call her Lola. You see her? She digs in, dragging me. But I was just trying to, I'm on the v20, but I was trying to catch the dynamic range. And I believe I am in 4K. I was trying to lock autofocus, but it's not doing its job. I mean, the camera is awesome on this thing. So, anyway, back to being drugged. That's her pulling me. That's me. What's up, guys? Trying to get my walk on, but next time I think I'm going solo. Because I'm being drugged around. There she is. Maybe I could get her to take a shit on camera for you guys. Take a dump. I'll call it a performance. Nice little scenery. Yeah. Come on, booby. Come on, booby. That's her other nickname, booby. But yeah, this camera is awesome. I need a gimbal or some kind of stabilizer or something. I'm everywhere with this thing. Let me see. Check out this little guy out there. Let's see if we can zoom in. He's eating or something. Come on, booby, stay. Oh, that is wide angle. Let's go normal. That's normal. Come on.
Definitely low on gas. I'm low on everything. Like,
Hey, what's up, man?
It's like bad timing for babies.
Yeah. Hold on. Pull over right here. Come on, booby, stop. Like I said, it's hard. It's hard filming and being drugged by this little girl right here. She's about 50 pounds and she's stronger than an ox. She fucking drag anything. But she's my baby. She been through a lot. When I got her, she was 2.9 pounds. And she had pneumonia and fleas and all kind of shit. She was fucked up. She's got a terrible overbite or underbite, however you look at it. But you know, I put a lot of love in her. Me and my girl. She's about 2 years old, and she's a beaut. That's her. She's got a real sensitive stomach though, so she has to eat this really expensive food. You know, gastrointestinal stuff. Cause her shit, man, if you give her a piece of salami or something, it's gonna be Shit Fest 2017. But that's her. Lola, there she go. Lola, come here, Lola. Lola, come here, booby. That's her right there. Anyway, I'm just filming some of my walk, and my girl is way up there. So I better catch up. Oh look, she's taking a dumper, performing for you guys. That's that's from her to you guys. Alright, man, I'm gonna cut this video and clean this shit up, man. Get at me, man. Like and share. It's just part of my life. My pit, her shit. See you guys later.